In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto start for a Honda Odyssey 2019. Okay, make sure it's locked. And then push and hold the button. And your car is started. And once you have it running, it'll run for 10 minutes and then turn off automatically. To restart it, you just press the button again. As of right now, if you want to turn it off and you're in the house or whatever, just press this button and it turns it off. Also, one thing to keep in mind, as it's running, it will set your heat to a comfortable temperature. It'll do your defrost and everything. Right now it's about 35 degrees out here. When I started the car up and got inside, the temperature was set, I believe, at 67, and the defrost was running. Okay, I hope that helps. If you guys would, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to do more videos on this car. Maybe one or two of the videos will help you out. Okay, thank you.